Hi everybody. Today I'll be trying out the PatrickStarrr One Size Juicy makeup wipes. I don't normally remove my makeup with makeup wipes, but I do use them in the cleaning process. The way I usually remove my makeup is with a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. And what I would normally do is apply the oil or the balm, rinse it off, and then take a wipe to remove the extra makeup that's in my hairline or, ears and stuff like that. And then I would take that same wipe and wipe the makeup ring out of the sink because these oils and balms, they leave a ring in the sink. And the wipe does a great job of taking that off. But when I watched PatrickStarrr's video, what he did was he sprayed the oil on and then he used the wipe to take the loosened makeup off. I didn't buy the spray oil because I have a lot of facial cleansing oils and stuff. So for this video, I'll be using the apricot seed deep cleansing oil. It's almost gone, but I have backups of other oils. My favorite is DHC. So what I'll do is I'll put the oil on my face, and then I want to use the One Size wipe on one side of my face and a Neutrogena wipe on the other. And then I'd like to see if one wipe took off more makeup than the other. So the way I'm going to determine that is once I'm done with the wipes, I'll use my toner and 2 cottons, one for each side of my face, and then see which cotton has more makeup left on it. Or if they're the same. First I have to take these lashes off. I use some Lancome eye makeup remover. And then I just go along my lash line with it. And it loosens up my lash and go. So I can just take it off without pulling my eye. And do the other side. Okay. All right, now onto the oil. All right. Take this oil. And I've just sprayed it all over my face the way I normally do. But rather than rinsing it, I'll use the wipe. The way Patrick did. Oh my goodness. So instead of the spray, I'm just massaging this oil in. Okay. So now let's start with the Neutrogena wipe. Now, of course, these are smaller because one of the key points about these wipes is that they're so big. You can tell because the package is really big too. So this is the Neutrogena. All right. This is my first time using these. They smell like, kind of like watermelon. And Neutrogena, well, they just smell kind of, like you expect makeup wipes to smell. There's the Patrick. And the Neutrogena. So it's quite a bit bigger. Now let's see how they work. This is the Neutrogena wipe, taking this off. Yeah, normally I would just use these to go around the perimeter of my face when I'm done with washing, and then wipe out the sink, and then wash my face with my normal cleanser. But today, I'm doing it like this. Okay, this wipe is very big. It has more of a botanical smell than a chemical smell. It feels good on my face too. And has a nice thick texture. It doesn't feel flimsy and thin like some makeup wipes. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. So PatrickStarrr here, Neutrogena here. Let's see if one worked better than the other. Okay, I'm putting the cotton together to make sure I get the same amount of toner on each one. I'll just tip it like that. Saturate it. And I'm gonna do like this. And then separate them. Okay, so they're both the same. Now let's see if one takes off more makeup. This is the Neutrogena side. Okay. Now let's try the other side. Flip it over. Okay. We're looking at the cotton. Patrick's wipe took off more makeup, quite a bit more. Flip them over on the other side. See this one? Wow. I didn't really expect them to clean that much better. But there it is. It actually took off more makeup. Because this is the Neutrogena cotton. The Patrick cotton is almost clean. Okay. Well, that's good to know. I'm glad to see they work better because I like Patrick. I was really hoping that he had created a product that's better than what we normally use. And he did. All right. Now I'll go ahead and wash my face and get ready for bed. Thank you for watching. Bye.